तकरीबन 3 साल के बाद एक्शन से भरपूर शो 24 सीजन 2 को लेकर आ रहे हैं अभिनेता अनिल कपूर का कहना है कि तीसरे सीजन में इतनी देरी नहीं होगी। इस शो का ट्रेलर लॉन्च किया गया। इस मौके पर सबसे बड़े गेस्ट रहे आमिर खान।
We're proud today to introduce you to the most relentless, passionate, committed people, and to the world of 24 season 2. And really proud to be here. I want to thank, of course, the forces behind Colors, the dynamic, visionary Raj Sahab, Raj Nayak, who's standing in front of me, and of course, the multi-talented Manisha Sharma. Is Manisha here? She couldn't make it. I want to thank Manisha. And Raj has been a real true friend, a friend. And I hope ये हमारी दोस्ती ज़िंदगी भर रहेगी। ये दोस्ती, ये कोलैबोरेशन, और जैसे कि आपने कहा कि ये सीजन्स हम करते रहेंगे, 7 सीजन। Obviously, my mom is going to divorce me because जैसे मैं 24 की शूटिंग करता हूँ, please stop this 24. Why are you going so mad? यार? My son also tells me, यार इतना क्यों इतना मेहनत कर रहे हो, क्यों इतना पागल हो रहे हैं आप लोग सब लोग।
ट्रेलर लॉन्च के मौके पर अनिल कपूर ने कहा, इस शो को लाना बड़ा ही टफ टास्क रहा। शो में हुई देरी के बारे में वो कहते हैं, इस सीजन को लाने में काफी वक्त लग गया, लेकिन अगले सीजन में ऐसा नहीं होगा।
ज़्यादा बोलना नहीं चाहिए क्योंकि नज़र लग जाती है। But Amir has been a friend, a colleague, a younger brother, sometimes more an elder brother. And I will, well, what do I say? We all know what Amir is, and not only me, my entire family loves Amir, and we all love Amir. So thank you, Amir, for coming in. I want you to come here on stage.
Well, it's a real pleasure to be here. One of the few actors that I like to watch and whose work I look forward to is Anil. And so the new season of 24 is one that I'm looking forward to as well. I think season 1 was really popular. Wherever I went, people would talk about it, tell me about it, praise the serial, praise your work, Anil. So every time I used to hear that, I used to feel really happy. And I'm sure that season 2 is going to go even beyond that. So I'm really looking forward to season 2. And I think the energy that Anil does things with is so unique. He's got such a childlike curiosity about all the work he does and excitement with which he approaches anything, not just work. It could be a meal, it could be anything. So I just love that about Anil, and I think that that's the energy that he brings to all the work that he does. I mean, when I saw Zoya's film, Dil Dhadakne Do, I was just bowled over by Anil's performance, and he constantly surprises you and entertains you in so many ways. Wishing you all the best, Anil. I think it's going to be something that we'll all look forward to, and my good wishes and congratulations to the entire team. Very keen to see what you have to show us.
अब अनिल की इस बात से अंदाजा लगाया जा सकता है कि थर्ड सीजन उनके दिमाग में अभी से ही है। शो 24 का पहला सीजन साल 2013 में आया था। ये एक फेमस अमेरिकन टीवी शो से प्रेरित था। इस शो में अनिल कपूर आतंकवाद विरोधी दस्ते के एजेंट जय सिंह राठौर की भूमिका में दिखाई देंगे। इस सीजन में उनकी नई साथी के रूप में सुरवीन चावला होंगी।
Thank you very much for being here. Actually, I must thank Anil because it was 3 years ago when I first met Anil. I had heard about this that Anil was planning to bring 24 to India, and he was in discussion with various other broadcasters. And I said, okay, it should be on Colors because the show and I was a great fan of Jack Bauer, and I watched the international show. I've watched almost all seasons. And so I went and met Anil, and sometimes when you meet somebody, there is chemistry, there's magic, it's love at first sight. I think that's what happened between the two of us. We are not gay. There's nothing wrong with it. I 100% agree with you. My wife may get a little worried. That's the only difference. I can tell I swing both ways. That's fine. But back to it. We met and it just took us 20 minutes to shake hands. And I think rest was history. Anil has been extremely supportive. I mean, season 1 was tough because we were doing it for the first time in India. And hopefully we've learned a lot from it. And season 2 plans to be bigger, better, everything that this young lady said. And I want to thank all of you. I hope you'll continue to give us your love, your support. And I don't want to take too much time, but I want to thank Anil. Anil, this has been a great journey. And I hope 7 more seasons we will partner together.
पहले सीजन में आतंकवादी रोशन शेरचंद यानी आशीष विद्यार्थी को पकड़ने के लिए जय सिंह राठौर खुद और अपने परिवार की जान को जोखिम में डालता है। इस बार जय सिंह राठौर अपनी टीम के साथ एक जानलेवा वायरस से मुंबई को बचाने की मिशन पर निकलेगा।